leaders in Du Bois County reacting to flooding tonight. Street Superintendent Jason Stamm says that volunteers as well as elected officials were busy filling sandbags last night for those that need them. Huntingburg Mayor Denny Spinner says that the rain gauges this morning showed the city got 8 inches of rain in a 6 to 7 hour period, causing some flash flooding.
I feel that we tried to service the people in Huntingburg as well as we could in providing emergency services during that time, and we'll be doing a job of trying to evaluate how do we go on from here as to addressing the needs that people have as these events may happen to us again.
He says officials are still determining the damage from floodwaters. If you are in need of bags, we're told the Huntingburg Street Department plans to leave a supply outside of their building, most likely throughout this entire week.